What's up, YouTube? Do you want to dominate with local businesses? If so, I have the most amazing thing ever to show you in my review of LeadFlow 360. All that's coming right up. Stay with me. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am actually one of the few people who put one successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you're new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. Basically, I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, Bart, just stop. Really. Enough with enough. Okay, go back to The Simpsons. Seriously. He's so annoying. He never ever listens. He never bothers to look. He never looks at my reviews. But you find people are looking at my reviews. If I like a product, I'm going to give it to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos here on the channel all about mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, she really is a sweetheart. I love her. 30 Rock was a great show, but she has a place here on my channel all the time. I'm always happy to hear from her. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe means nothing here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. So this is the sales page for LeadFlow 360. It's a really cool little product, actually. And it actually went live yesterday. I'm recording this on the 14th, but you will probably not see this until the 15th. But anyway, so LeadFlow 360 is a very, very cool product, which I'm really, really loving quite a bit. I'm kind of jumping the gun and telling you what's going to happen at the end of the video. I apologize, but I'm really excited about this product. We're going to take a look at the members area in just a moment. I do want to just quickly show you the sales page. This is very cool. What it does basically is it finds local businesses. It actually goes and searches through Facebook to find local businesses that need your help. And the idea is basically that you can help them with SEO and stuff like that. I don't even want to deal with SEO. SEO is great. Don't get me wrong. You can make a lot of money doing that, and they're going to give you a done-for-you package, which is great. But my bonus is going to blow your mind. Okay? Let me show you what my bonus is. My bonus is my own product. This is Local Video Jackpot. Okay, this is, you can see, $67 right now that I'm retailing it for. This is my flagship course. It won Deal of the Day on Warrior Plus. It is an amazing product. Everybody loved this product when it came out. All right. Basically, what you're getting here is 10 done-for-you explainer videos together with a done-for-you website that you can install. Everything is done for you. The whole package, all ready to roll. You don't have to do any work in order to make this thing happen. Okay. Seriously, it's all done for you. Now, and there's a course including how I was able to pull in money like this. You can see these are just a few of the payments. I still do this today. I make more of my money now from doing affiliate marketing, but I still do this kind of thing today where I actually go and sell videos to local businesses. I still make money from this every single week. I still make money doing this particular business. So this is a very cool product, and it is my flagship product. It's something I'm really proud of. It's $67. Pick up LeadFlow 360 from me. You're getting it for free. Straight up, get it for free. Okay, now, I know that some of you probably have already bought Local Video Jackpot. That's maybe how you found out who I am. If you picked it up, then I've got a different bonus for you. I'm going to give you OTO2, which is a set, $37 set of templates that you can actually use to go and create all kinds of additional content for your customers. Okay, this is very cool stuff. Basically, you're going to get a whole bunch of PowerPoint templates along with training on how to use them, and you can use these things to go and set up whatever you want to set up for your new business, and basically sell these products to the customers that you find with local LeadFlow 360. Now, I know that some of you may have bought this too. That's okay. Because if you did, I have another launch coming up October 3rd. I'm going to give you your own access to this. This is super cool. Okay. This is my brand new project. It's called Unstoppable. Now, Unstoppable, I stumbled on this by accident. This is a way that I've been making money on the side. Honestly, I haven't even paid much attention to it. It is super, super cool, Unstoppable. Basically, I spent 20 minutes setting up a gig on a particular website. It's not the ones you're thinking. It's not Fiverr or any things that you usually think about. It's something that you probably don't know about. Okay. I stumbled onto this thing and I set it up and I make $25 over and over and over again. And it takes me 60 seconds of work to make it happen. Seriously. Okay. Now, and you can actually charge more money for the service as well. I charge $25. You can charge whatever you want. Okay. This is just a small sampling. $275, that's nothing. I have earned over a couple $1,000s by now, actually. These are just basically, I took a screenshot and my graphics guy put this together. It said it was $275. And you counted it up. I was like, no, actually, a couple $1,000s. I've actually had customers who were so enamored of me that they actually came back here, take a look at this. They came back and asked me to do more work for them. Okay, this is the kind of stuff that you're going to get with Unstoppable. And you get to choose which of these three you want. You're going to send me a message, and you're going to pick which one of these three you want. I recommend picking up Local Video Jackpot if you don't already have it, because that's going to really work extremely well with LeadFlow 360. But if you happen to have it, you can get the OTO2, or if you happen to have that, you can also get Unstoppable. That's my recommendations. But pick one of them, and you get it for free as a bonus when you pick up LeadFlow 360 through my link. Okay, so nobody else is going to give this to you because nobody else has this available. These are my products. These are things that I put a tremendous amount of time in. These are things I sell and make a ton of money off of, but you're getting it for free when you pick up LeadFlow 360 from me. Okay, so this is the members area for LeadFlow 360. It's a really cool product, actually. And let me show you what this thing can really do. So let's go to search leads over here. Okay. And let's say, for example, I'm looking for plumbers. Okay, and let's put in a pretty specific location, Kalispell, Montana. Okay, you can put in anything you like. You can see it's got every place on Earth already populated, but we're going to go with Kalispell, Montana for plumbers. And we're going to search. You can search for either Facebook page or Facebook places. Okay, if you don't see results from one, you can switch between the two, but I think page is probably going to give us more. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what comes up. Okay, so let's see. This is just all about the city of Kalispell, but over here we go. Okay, modern heating and plumbing, Plumright Plumbing, Kalispell Plumbing and Heating. Okay, central heating, cooling, and electrical. All these are in the city of Kalispell. If you happen to be in Kalispell, it's a relatively small town, actually. About, I don't know, 30, 40,000 people live there. And maybe the metro area has like 100,000 people, something like that. So it's not a big city. You can see all these different places. They're all listed here. And you can actually get these leads ready-made for you. That's really, really cool, because when I put together Local Video Jackpot, the method that I use actually takes a little bit longer to find leads. This is very, very cool. So it kind of cuts out a lot of the lead generation that I did in Local Video Jackpot. Okay, and now here's what I absolutely love here. So what you can do like this. You can actually go ahead and generate an SEO report. Okay, so what does that mean? SEO means search engine optimization. It means what they would look like inside of Google. And the software will actually search their website, try to find out more details about them, and provide you with a detailed report. Why is this useful? Because you can take this and actually offer it to this customer and say, hey, this is an analysis I did. It's yours free. There's no charge. And then you can offer to help them with it. Now, with Local Video Jackpot, if you happen to pick that up as your bonus, you can actually take a quick look at their website. If they don't happen to have an explainer video, which is very popular, and a lot of people don't have them, with Local Video Jackpot, you can customize an explainer video for them in about 10 minutes. It's very, very easy to do. There's instructions, there's done for you videos, All you do is customize it for them and send it off, and you're ready to roll. But either way, you can grab this PDF report. I'm not going to finish with this thing right now. We'll close that up. I don't need to do it right now, but you can see what this thing can do. Okay, you can also check the Google reviews. If you pick up one of the upgrades, they also have a Facebook report in the Pro version. You can also send emails to them if you have an agency license. Honestly, it's not all that necessary because in Local Video Jackpot, I show you how to do that, but that's a really cool feature as well. And so it's actually really, really nice stuff.
You think it's cool?
Well, yeah, it's really cool. That's why I like it. Anyway, so let's go ahead and see if I'm going to go ahead and give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not. I kind of tipped my hand a little bit, but yes, I am definitely giving a tip of my hat to these guys. This is awesome. I absolutely love LeadFlow 360. If I could say it, that would be great.
Tied tongue, dog catcher.
Yes, I'm tongue-tied, so deal with it. Anyway, but bottom line, this is a great little product. I absolutely adore this thing. It is the perfect supplement for Local Video Jackpot. So if you already have it, you definitely want to get this thing. If you don't already have Local Video Jackpot, pick it up through my link. Get Local Video Jackpot together with it. You're going to save yourself $67 because that's what it costs for Local Video Jackpot. And you're going to be able to make so much money with LeadFlow 360 along with Local Video Jackpot to really make your business pop. Go ahead and grab it. You're absolutely going to love this.